Jobman is gamifying your daily task like purchase ordering. In this demonstration, we import a data file generated from Mosaic CAD/CAM software. Jobman only requires quantities and SKUs to identify what is in stock and what needs ordering. Matching your jobs to the same supplier and even delivering to a different warehouse is all done in a couple of clicks. Send your orders directly to Hafele with real-time confirmation will save time and eliminate data entry errors. Try Jobman today and digitize your business for tomorrow.